He gave up. So President Ruto said, we will reform this thing. Luckily, he expected the pushback would be there. But he promised the country that he will weather the storm, risk his popularity in the short term until we get this thing right. You would think that Kenya has come to a standstill. How Kenya is a mess. By that time, we had not even activated some of the funds, like the ECCIF, the Emergency Chronic and Critical Illness Fund, was not operational. So there was chaos all over the place. But today, it is true there are people still who are criticizing, which is also okay because you just make us perfect things. Sometimes the only thing we ask is that you do it, those who are criticizing us should do it factually, not through generalities and through falsehoods. So this has been a heavy lifting of 4 years of hard work by the national government and county governments and the people of Kenya. We've made progress. And what we have said in the last 2 days, and we'll be concluding this afternoon, is there is still work to be done. We need to fine-tune things, but at least now, the framework and the system is in place. The program is now on its track. We just need to fine-tune a few things. What are the 5 things that we must now work on going forward? Number 1, the people. And I'm summarizing what we have said from yesterday morning. The people. The universal health coverage, Taifa Care, is about the health of the people of Kenya. So the bottom line is about the people. Better quality healthcare for the people of Kenya. How far have we come? From 8 million to 32.3 million today. Isn't that a great progress in terms of universality? Because we have had a healthcare program before. NHIF had a public medical insurance cover, but 8 million, 32.3 million, a huge leap, and still counting. I've been advised by those who are better than me in mathematics that we are now around 60% coverage. 32.3 million is about 60% coverage. If you add those Kenyans who are on a private medical insurance, we are approaching 60-something% coverage. That is not a small measure. Compare it with other countries for you to understand. Minister Duale and the team there, President Ruto, and all of us, when we visit other countries or leaders of other countries visit us, they're asking us, how did you get to pull by now 32 million Kenyans on UHC? And counting, because we must up the game. I am advised that 75% plus is what becomes universal health coverage. We are almost there. Some counties have achieved universality. I salute Governor Abdulswamad of Mombasa and 3 other colleagues of his who are now in the 70 plus, with Mombasa leading.